The IS interview, officially called the Civil Services Personality Test, is not merely a test of knowledge, it's a deeper evaluation of your personality, integrity, clarity of thought, and decision making under pressure. The UPSC board is not looking for walking encyclopedias, but individuals who can think on their feet, stay calm under stress, and explain their choices with conviction. At the heart of this interaction lies a document you've already submitted: the detailed application form. This form is not just a formality, it is the blueprint of your personality test. Every detail you've written, your name, hometown, academic background, work experience, hobbies, and even your cadre preferences, can be turned into a question. In fact, it often is. In this video, we'll explore the most common and insightful questions that can arise from the detailed application form, and more importantly, how to prepare for them smartly and strategically. Question 1. Meaning and significance of your name. Example, your name is Arjun. Can you tell us about the character of Arjun from the Mahabharata? How to tackle this question? Know the historical, cultural, or mythological reference and prepare a simple, meaningful explanation. Don't bluff or overglorify your name if you're unaware of its meaning. Question 2. Place of birth or residence. Example, you are from Amritsar. What is its cultural importance? How to tackle this question? Research the history, demographics, famous personalities, current challenges, and contribution to national development. Avoid vague or shallow answers about your place. Question 3. Educational background. Example, you studied mechanical engineering. Why didn't you choose it as your optional? How to tackle this question? Be honest. Highlight your interest in the optional subject and its relevance to the civil services. Don't speak negatively about your academic subject. Question 4. Professional experience. Example, you worked at TCS. How can IT help in governance? How to tackle this question? Don't criticize your past employer or say you hated the job. Emphasize what you learned and how it can be applied to improve public systems. Example, e-governance. Question 5. Parents' occupation. Example, your father is a farmer. What are the key issues in Indian agriculture? How to tackle this question? Know the basics of your parents' profession and speak with emotional intelligence and awareness. Don't show ignorance about your own background. Question 6. Hobbies and interests. Example, you mentioned photography. What kind of photos do you like to take? How to tackle this question? Never fake a hobby. You'll be caught if you can't go deep into it. Be specific. Example, nature photography, street photography, and prepare to discuss techniques, inspirations, or learnings. Question 7. Language proficiency. Example, your mother tongue is Tamil, but you know Bengali also. Can you name a famous Bengali poet? How to tackle this question? Don't list a language you don't really know. Prepare 1 or 2 proverbs, authors, and how knowing that language connects you to culture. Question 8. State and cadre preference. Example, Karnataka is your native state. Why did you choose Sikkim as your first cadre? How to tackle this question? Avoid politically loaded or superficial reasons like peaceful state. Show how your personal goals align with the region's development needs, terrain, or administration. Question 9. Service preference, IS, IPS, etc. Example, why did you place IPS above IAS? How to tackle this question? Don't say you want a powerful job. Justify your choice based on role suitability, challenges, your personality, and contribution to society. Question 10. Achievements or awards. Example, you won a national essay competition. What was your topic? How to tackle this question? Don't exaggerate or be unprepared to explain your award. Use such questions to highlight skills like writing, awareness, or creativity that helped you win. Question 11. School or college name. Example, you studied at Loyola College. What makes it unique? How to tackle this question? Don't give a generic answer like, it's a good college. Talk about its history, values, notable alumni, and what you gained from the experience. Question 12. Gap years or career breaks. Example, you took a gap year. What did you do during that time? How to tackle this question? Avoid saying, I did nothing. Present your break as purposeful, preparing for the exam, volunteering, self-learning, or skill building. Question 13. Volunteering or social work. Example, you worked with an NGO for slum education. What did you learn? How to tackle this question? Avoid idealistic or textbook-like answers. Share real experiences, challenges, and how it deepened your commitment to public service. Question 14. Internships or projects. Example, what was your biggest takeaway from your internship at DRDO? How to tackle this question? Don't forget the details or say, I don't remember. Prepare to do 3 key learnings or outcomes and connect them to problem solving or administration. Question 15. Personal challenges or setbacks. Example, you overcame a financial struggle during college. How did it shape you? How to tackle this question? Don't turn emotional or play the victim. Focus on resilience, time management, and how adversity builds strength. Final tips for candidates. Be genuine. Every word in your DAF should be true and defendable. Stay calm and humble. The board tests attitude more than knowledge. Practice with mock interviews, especially on DAF-based questions. Self-reflection is key. Know who you are and what motivates you. Don't over-prepare answers. Be spontaneous but informed. Final words. The IS interview is not a test of perfection. It's a celebration of your journey, your choices, and your commitment to serve the nation. You've already climbed the steepest peaks of prelims and mains. Now, stand tall and walk into that room with clarity, confidence, and conviction. Believe in your preparation. Believe in your purpose. And most importantly, believe in yourself. The nation needs officers like you. Now go and make it happen. Subscribe to our channel now and supercharge your preparation. Get access to powerful strategies, expert tips, and exclusive free resources designed to give you an unbeatable edge. Quality content. Smart preparation. Real results. Don't miss the free gifts. Hit that subscribe button now.